back to my channel. So in today's video, we are baking. It's this time of the year where I do my baking videos because it's the holidays. So this is like the easiest recipe. I wouldn't even call it a recipe. I would just say, like, this is the easiest thing you could do. And I remember growing up, my mom used to do this all the time and like put it in a really cute bag and then give it to like my teachers or like people that like were really nice to us. So like she still does it to this day. And so like I'm gonna make this and like I normally bring it to like people who do my hair or like people who do my skin. Like just it's a nice thing to add with like a little gift card, just with something homemade, and it's really good. So all you're gonna need, really easy, you're gonna need chocolate, like the cubes of chocolate. You can get this anywhere, Walmart, Target, any of those like stores like Michael's, stuff like that, like they sell this. So it's just regular chocolate. And then you're gonna need trail mix. You can get any trail mix, got this from BJ's. And you're gonna need hot water, and that literally is it. And then at the end, when I'm done doing all the trail mix, I'm gonna dip some fruit and do some chocolate covered like little fruit. So I will do that at the end, so that way everything else doesn't taste like a banana. So this is what you're gonna need to do. Hold on, let me move it closer. So what you're gonna do is take a pot of water that is in the pot. So you put water. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it on. And you don't wanna bring it to a boil, but you wanna make sure the water is really hot before you add any chocolate. So fill the pan up with water. Then you're gonna take another pot that's empty and you're gonna place it over it. Just like this.
It doesn't stay.
Okay? Now this is what's very important. Don't get the water in the pot with the chocolate. That's very important, all right? So now what we're gonna do is, I'm not gonna do it yet because it's not hot yet, but once this water gets hot, I'm gonna cut this open. Cut it open now. And I'm gonna throw it in here. All right, then it's gonna melt. Once it's melted, then we're gonna throw the trail mix in there and I'll show you guys. Also, look at the beautiful decorations that my mom did. Let's show them the tree. Come closer. Look how beautiful my mom decorated the tree. You did a great job.
Well, thank you.
She always does. I hope one day when I have my own family, I will just be just as good as you are.
Oh, I thought you said, I hope you come and do my tree for me.
Oh, I would love for you to do it with me.
No, you have to learn how to do this.
No, but like do it with me.
Of course.
Yeah, she always goes above and beyond with the Christmas thing. You know, I don't like.
What? My tree?
No. What? Oh yeah, I'll show in a second. No, not about your tree. I don't like when people do have like white trees.
I love a white tree.
I don't like that.
All white?
I don't like when they have like a white tree and they do it like all pink. Like I don't like that.
That's kind of like not traditional.
That's what I'm saying. I don't like that.
But I like those trees that look like they have snow. Those are beautiful.
Yeah, but that's not a white tree. That's a tree.
You're talking about the white, all
like,
white.
Like when people are like Barbie, like I don't like that. Or when they do like
Spider-Man.
Like I don't like it. Oh, let's show them your $25 tree. Also, I'm showing you guys this because I'm waiting for the water to get hot, because if I stare at it too long, I'm gonna prematurely throw the chocolate in it because I have zero patience. All right, y'all, so now we're in this office and this is the other tree my mom decorated. It looks really beautiful as well. It's a little bit smaller, and guess how much they paid for it? Guess, guys, in the comments.
I got a good deal.
$25. How
Target,
much was it originally?
Target sponsor me.
Sponsor you, sponsor me.
I did.
All right, so now we're gonna throw the chocolate in.
It depends on the chocolate.
Also, you don't have to add any olive oil or anything to the bottom of the pan because it's just gonna be like melted. So it's not gonna, nothing's gonna stick to it. Remember what I told you guys.
Oh.
Don't let the water get in the chocolate. Very important. It's already melting. I literally just threw it in. So you're just gonna like mix it up until all of the chocolate is melted. See, it's already melting on the bottom. And then we're gonna throw the trail mix in. But I wanted to show you guys, I was telling Mom.
Oh.
I you guys in the beginning of the video how my mom used to like do this for like my teachers, and like we still do it for people who are like nice to us. So, what you do? No, like our hair lady, the guy, like
A little gift.
you know, it's just a
A
little
little thought.
gesture to add with like a gift card. So you can get these at like Target or the
Those
dollar
are from
store.
Walmart, actually.
Mom, you're recording and I'm
yes,
not even in it.
I'm recording.
And what you can do is like you could throw them in here and then like you wrap it cute, or you can do something like this, and they're like little Christmas baskets, and you throw it in here.
I'm sorry.
And then you just close it up and then you give it to somebody. And like you can attach like a little gift card and like tie it really cute, and yeah, so.
Those already come with the bags and the little cards.
Yeah, this has the little thing. It says Merry Christmas, and it's just so cute, and it has a little.
And they're not expensive.
Baggies.
You get it.
So you really want this to be fully melted before you add anything in it. And then after, like I said, I'm gonna do some fruit because I'm craving chocolate covered fruit, so.
Yeah, right.
And Missy has a show on Saturday.
Yeah, right.
She's craving chocolates.
I do have.
Tiana made cookies over there in that container. I did.
All right, y'all, so now we're gonna add the trail mix. Don't add the entire bag, but just
A
do
little
like
at
a
a time.
little at a time. Mix it together.
You can lower the heat too, that way it doesn't burn the chocolate.
You're gonna take a tablespoon, and you're gonna need like paper, parchment
Wax
paper, wax paper.
yeah.
And you're gonna take a tablespoon like this.
Don't make them so big.
I'm not.
Yeah.
And literally just do this, and then it's gonna cool and it's gonna harden.
Yeah. Don't put them close.
Okay, my dad's here now. Now he wants to do the banana.
You guys are the same person. I swear.
I shudder.
Keep it on.
Okay guys, look at all the chocolate clusters. You have to let it cool now, and then it will like harden, and then you can eat it up. Also guys, we did a shoot today. It came out so fire, and I can't wait to post the photos from it.
Oh, I identify as a photographer.
And I'm a stylist.
Wait, it's not focusing. So yeah, the shoots came out really good. We did Skims, we did Fashion Nova, and we did Super swimwear. So I'm really excited about it. To post photos and the videos and the TikToks. Oh, and I filmed the YouTube video for the shoes, which I'm actually really excited to go and edit after this. No, I had to finish editing one video first because I keep jumping around and I've gotten nothing uploaded this week, and I've recorded 4 videos. So,
Oh my god, really?
yeah, I'm gonna finish editing the try on haul, and then.
This is the secret weapon.
Oh god.
This is...
My stomach kind of hurts now.
What?
Of course.
Get out of here. Man.
When you're done, chop the finger, okay?
You guys don't know.
I'm done.
Let me show you how to do it. I like lightweights.
Alright, I'll be back when they're done. Alright y'all, so they're all done and ready to go. So at this point, when they're all finished, what you're gonna do is you can package them really cute like I was telling you, but if you just wanna eat them yourself, you can also put it in the fridge and make them cold, but I'm gonna taste it.
They will get hard if you just leave them alone.
Mmm.
Okay, good.
Mm-hmm.
I already have one.
It's so easy and so good. Like if you have kids and they're in school, you can make these and give them to their teachers.
They're a big cake. I used to take them to work too. They love it.
I'm gonna save this for after dinner. So that's it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you try this, let me know. There'll be more baking videos since it's the holiday season, so I'll be making more stuff. I'm actually gonna be like posting more on YouTube now. So I'm gonna try to do a cooking video a week since it gives me some content. So if you want me to make anything, let me know in the comments below and I will do it. See you guys in the next video. Have a great day and a blessed rest of your day, guys.